Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And in the last video, I showed how to put the parallel dimension tool up here and off the tool box because, and I even do it, get confused when you have the 2-point line up there. It kind of looks like the parallel dimension tool, and it's normally defaulted like right here. So if you don't use it very much, but you still want it and you don't want it up here, you can hold down the control and the alt button and start moving it, and you can let go of those two buttons and you can put it anywhere you want. Let's put it like right here, and you'll see it dropped it between the smart fill and the pen tool outline. So it's still there, it's gone from there, but it's farther away than your 2-point line is, so it'd be less confusing. There's really no way to customize it. You know, up here you can customize stuff and uh, put because it's parallel, you can go to the menu bar and you can change you could have the captions, or you could have the captions and the icons, but there's really no way to do it to the toolbox because there's just not enough room. It acts like it can, but I have not figured out a way to make it work. And see, there you can just have the image, which you would not want in that case. So go to menu and caption only, and that's really all you need. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.